Welcome to LexV Designs. Today we're going to be learning how to make a rose with a fabric. Compliments of the season. Let's get right into the video. Stay tuned. So, to get started, I'll just be folding this fabric with 3 as the width, and then you can use as much as 13 or 14. Then I'll be sewing from this side down to the extreme. So I have just done that, and then I'll be pulling it out. I'll be turning it out on the side that I didn't totally close up. I can easily use a safety pin, or I'll just easily use my scissors to push out that part out just this way. So I'll just push it out. While I'm at this, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So right now, next step is that I'll just put my thread through my needle, and then I'll push this edge inside so that I can sew on it. Then with my needle and thread, I'll just be going back and forth just this way, and make sure to maintain the same consistency, so that the flower will come out uniform. It doesn't come out one bigger than the other. So just make sure that as you are going through this way, that you maintain the same consistency. Alright, so I'll just be going in and out just this way with the same consistency till I get to the end. When I get there, I will double stitch on it. I'll tie the thread very well. You can see the consistency I'm talking about. So this is it. Once you have already brought that side out, you'll be sewing on it. Cut out all the threads and sew on it. And this is all. In 5 minutes time, you have produced a flower. You can do it in smaller size, in bigger size. It depends on what you want. Thank you for watching.